I just walked up in the club, I'm finna kick a body, shining like the diamonds on my neck. I body, blessings to be stressed. I body, them hoes and I ain't worried about my ex or nobody.
What's up, my queen babies? Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can be my queen baby too.
Guys, this is a disclaimer. I'm very sorry I did not like my setup, but I had to post a video. But now I know my setup, so I'm sorry that I'm way too close. But other than that, enjoy the video.
Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a hair review. Beauty Forever Hair sent me this beautiful half wig. And they also sent me some hairbands to go with it. So this one comes in a box with the hair. Sorry. Oh, this one's stay on my face. Okay. So this little hairband, you know. Then it comes with the regular smeller daler. Wig cap. Then finally the hair, the good part, what we're all looking for. This is a 16-inch, 150 density half wig. Water wave hair. Check it out. This is how it looks. It's so pretty. And then here's the construction. I might do a better glimpse. Will be on my head, so never mind. It has comb at the top, comb at the bottom, and then your adjustable straps are these bands, which is Velcro. So yeah, so I already tamed my hair because I'm natural head, so y'all know how that feel and everything. So I'm gonna take off yo, this is very secure. So secure. Oh wow. Oh wow. I'm about to break it down. Oh wow. So let me keep in mind my hair kind of still wet right now. But oh wow, this is so cute. Let me figure out this back. That's what I need right now. That comb. Forget the Velcro. That comb. Okay. I got it. I think it's a little bit. Okay. This is a water wave texture. Let's try the headbands. Okay, these are the headbands they sent me. Also, it'll be in a link description. Should I try all of them? No. Nothing like that. But I will show you them how they look. This is one of them, one of the headbands. That's how it'll look at this. You know the crisscross bands? I'm gonna show you which, cause I'm putting on one. my favorite one. I like. And there's a cheetah print one. Cheetah print. Then there's this cute navy blue with other colors in it. And there's the black and white one with stars, because I'm a star. Then I love this one. I think I might put this one on. I'm digging this one. I'm digging this one. I might put this one on. It's between this black one and the other one. So either this one, probably put this on. What y'all think? No, I'm digging this one with this. Yeah. So yeah, those are all the headbands. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 headbands. So I'm gonna leave that link down in the description below. And you can do different styles. Ooh, I wanna do a half up, half down. How that look? Oh, this gonna be my go wig, child. I'm looking at a hot mess. Oh yes. Oh yes, this is it. This is it. Oh, my ponytail here. But y'all get the gesture. Then you can do a bun. I don't have no ponytails in here with me. I don't feel like getting that. I mean, I have one, but you can do that. Up, bun. And it's easy. It's giving you a break. I just like my flip like this. Some extra jump. Oh yeah, I like it like this. Oh, I like it flip like this. Yeah, I'm just loving this hair. So sorry. Oh yeah, I like it flip this. Give me more volume than what it was before. And still look pretty. So I'll be right back.
So guys, this was the finished look after I did my makeup. I love the hair. If you like this hair, link down in the description below. You can purchase this hair. Love you, my queen steppers. See you later.
I just walked up in the club, I'm finna kick a body, shining like the diamonds on